Hi guys, today I'm doing the Camaro like I said yesterday. Kind of destroyed. Engine's still there. Got to figure out everything that's damaged. First I'm going to start by removing parts that I need on the front. Alright, parts that I can easily remove. Take off this. Refit this. I'm fixing the entire front end before reattaching it to the car. That's if I can reattach it to the car. It's like that. This one is a lot easier to destroy than the other one. I just push it in like that, and I'll show you where the Mustang is. On this corner right here, while grabbing here, I push it in and the whole thing goes sideways. Then I just push in from the front of the car, destroying it. For all of you who don't know why I'm doing this, I find it fun to restore and rebuild these. There's a missing part, but that's okay. Alright, now let's pop this back. If it goes back. Alright. That's that. Engine works, steering works. If I can restore this perfectly again to the way I had it before I destroyed it, you have to leave a like and subscribe. Well, you don't have to, but it would help me out if you did. I would really appreciate it. Okay, what goes where? That goes there. Okay, that. And that. Front's coming well good. And yes, I know I have the wrong fenders on it, but the fenders are better on the Mustang than they are on this. I prefer the white front fenders on the Mustang. Alright, this is a part of a door. Alright. I might have a little trouble redoing this. But you can't really expect me not to have trouble when I literally just destroyed a Technic. Alright. That is that done. Pop that back. Alright, everything is still working on that. Reconnecting the car. Okay, that goes there. I really hope I can fix this, but honestly, I don't have that much hope. As the last time I destroyed this thing and tried to fix it, it was in pieces for months, as I couldn't figure out how it went back together, and in the end, I had to get the instructions involved. But it seems like I'm going quite well, but might still have a little bit of trouble. Now I can check on the rear fenders, rear tires. Once I have a stand again, I'm going to do a full tutorial on how to dismantle both of these cars the way I do them, and as far down as you can go without just putting it into all little pieces, having it still like in big chunks and having it basically back down to its bare frame. I will eventually do a tutorial on them, but it probably won't be till after Christmas, once I get my Christmas money, and I use that Christmas money to do this, to get the parts. Alright, make sure to leave a like, drop a subscribe, only if you want. I got this done. All back to normal. Anyways, I will see you in the next video.